I welcome you all for this video. So in this video we are going to discuss equations, differential equations which are reducible to exact form or exact differential equations. So in our previous video we have discussed about exact equations. So generally the given differential equation which is of first order and first degree, it will be of the form mdx plus ndy equal to 0. Then we say that this equation is exact if there exists a function g such that g equal to mdx plus ndy. That is the definition, but usually we use the condition for exactness to check the nature of the given differential equation. So this equation mdx plus ndy equal to 0 is exact if and only if dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. So if this condition holds, then the given equation is exact. But there are some differential equations which are not in exact form, but that can be reducible to exact equations or exact form. So such equations we are going to consider under this section. So given a differential equation which is not exact can be made into an exact equation multiplying it by an integrating factor. So that it plays a key role in converting the ordinary differential equation an equation which is not in exact form to exact equation form. So integrating factor is very much important to translate an equation into exact differential equation. So there are two types of integrating factors that we are going to consider under this section. In this video, type 1 will be discussed. So first let us consider let us discuss the steps which are the steps required to solve problems on equations reducible to exact form. See, given a differential equation which is not exact, first we need to find this dou m by dou y. After considering the given equation, we need to find dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x. Obviously given equation is not exact, so that dou m by dou y will not be equal to dou n by dou x, and hence their difference will not be 0. So given a differential equation, first you need to consider that equation, then identify m and n, then find the derivatives dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x, then take their difference. So this difference will be close to or nearer to m or n. How we can check this? By comparing coefficients or the degree of x and y appearing in that equation. So comparing that with m and n, you have to check which term is close to dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. So anyway, this difference should be close to one of these two. Next, after finding this, whether it is close to m or n, you have to perform this one. If it is close to n, then you have to consider 1 by n times the difference dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. If this difference is close to n, then you have to consider this one 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. That means you have to just multiply 1 by n to this term. So then it will be a function of x alone, so that we call that as f of x. Whatever the product we consider here, that will be a function of x alone, so we call that as f of x. In this case, the integrating factor will be e power integral f of x dx. In that case, the integrating factor will be this one. So second case is, suppose that difference is close to m. If it is close to m, then obviously you have to consider the product 1 by m times dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x, which will be a function of y alone, so we call that as g of y. So in that case, the integrating factor will be e power minus integral g of y dy. So in both the case we get some particular integrating factor. After getting integrating factor, multiply integrating factor to given equation. Then you will be having m1 equal to m into integrating factor, and n1 will be equal to n into integrating factor. Now the corresponding differential equation m1 dx plus n1 dy equal to 0 will be exact. So then this equation will be exact. If you want, you can check this. Dou m1 by dou y will be definitely equal to dou n1 by dou x. So after finding this, we had to write the solution. The solution of the equation is given by integral m1 into dx plus integral n1 of y into dy equal to c, where n1 of y denotes terms in n1 not containing x. So this is about the procedure to solve problems on equations are reducible to exact form type 1. So this is of type 1. Next problems. Let us consider one by one problems. A. First one, solve 4xy plus 3y square minus x into dx plus x into x plus 2y dy equal to 0. Solution. So given, first let us write the given equation. Given 4xy plus 3y square minus x times dx plus x into x plus 2y dy equal to 0. This is the given equation. You have to identify m and n. So obviously the coefficient of dx will be m and coefficient of dy will be n. So here m will be equal to 4xy plus 3y square minus x, and n will be equal to x into x plus 2y. So this we can write as x square plus 2xy, so that the differentiation will be easy. Now dou m by dou y. So differentiating this with respect to y partially, it will be 4x plus 6y, and come to this dou n by dou x. So differentiating this with respect to x partially, it will be 2x plus 2y, 2x plus 2y. Now we have dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x, so that is obvious. So you have to consider the difference. Dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x equal to, so dou m by dou y ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 4x plus 6y minus dou n by dou x 2x minus 2y it is. So it will be 2x plus 4y. So taking 2 outside, it will be 2 times of x plus 2y. Now look into this and this with this, we can check that in terms of coefficients and degrees, this difference dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x is close to n. So it is close to n. Hence, so we have to multiply 1 by n to this difference. So 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x equal to 1 by n means 1 by 2 times of x plus 2y into, okay, difference, sorry, this is n, right? So n is x into x plus 2y into the difference 2 times of x plus 2y. So x plus 2y get cancelled. So you remain with the 2 by x, that is f of x. So we got f of x. Now the integrating factor is e power integral f of x dx. So that is e power integral 2 by x dx. So 2 you can take outside. So integral of 1 by x is log x. So e power 2 log x dx, log x only, yes. So 2 into log x, that can be written as e power log x square. We know that log and exponential, they are inverse of each other, so that get cancelled. Will be getting x square. So integrating factor is x square. Integrating factor is x square. Now multiplying this integrating factor to m1 n, we will be getting m1 equal to, so m n 4xy plus 3y square minus x. So let me do this here. Okay, 4xy plus 3y square minus x is there. So multiplying x square to it, it will be 4x cube y plus 3x square y square minus x cube, and n1 will be x power 4 after multiplying integrating factor plus 2x cube y. You can check that dou m1 by dou y equal to dou n1 by dou x. Okay, for this problem let us check this, but this is not necessary. See, dou m1 by dou y will be 4x cube plus 6x square y, and dou n1 by dou x 4x cube plus 6x square y. Therefore we got dou m1 by dou x equal to dou n1 by dou y. So that's what I am conveying. So after multiplying integrating factor, corresponding equation will be exact. So this is not necessary to write in exam or internals, but just for your sake I have written here. Now the solution of the equation is integral m1 into dx, that is 4x cube y plus 3x square y square minus x cube into dx plus integral n1 of y. So both the terms contain x, so n1 of y will be 0. See, whenever the integrating factor will be in terms of x, obviously n1 will be 0. So dy equal to c. So integrating this 4x cube, integral of that is x power 4 y plus x cube y square minus x power 4 by 4 equal to c. So this is the required solution. Next, problem B. Solve y into 2x minus y plus 1 into dx plus x into 3x minus 4y plus 3 into dy equal to 0. Solution. So I am not going to rewrite the equation, I will directly write m and n, but in the examination I have to write each step properly. Here m equal to y into 2x minus y plus 1 and n equal to x into 3x minus 4y plus 3. So m you can write as 2xy minus y square plus y. N you can write as 3x square minus 4xy plus 3x. Okay. Now, so dou m by dou y will be 2x minus 2y plus 1. Dou n by dou x, it will be 6x minus 4y plus 3. Now taking their difference, dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x, it will be 2x minus 2y plus 1 minus 6x plus 4y minus 3. So it will be this 2x minus 6x, that is minus 4x minus 2y plus 4y plus 2y, 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. So taking minus 2 outside here, it is 2x minus y plus 1. So this is close to m. So close to m. So you need to multiply 1 by m to the difference dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. Thus 1 by m into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x is 1 by m antandre, that is 1 by y into 2x minus y plus 1 into minus 2 times of 2x minus y plus 1. So this term get cancelled, you get minus 2 by y, that is g of y. So integrating factor will be e power minus integral g of y dy. So minus g of y antandre, it will be 2 by y dy. So you can check this, it will be log e power log y square. So integrating factor is y square. So you got integrating factor. After that you have to multiply both m and n by integrating factor. Now m1 equal to m into integrating factor. What is the integrating factor? Y square. So m ಏನಿತ್ತು 2xy minus y square plus y ಇತ್ತು. Multiplying integrating factor, it will be 2xy cube minus y power 4 plus y cube. And similarly n1 will be, after multiplying integrating factor, 3x square y square minus 4x y cube plus 3x y square. The solution of the equation is, integral m1 into dx, that is integral 2xy cube minus y power 4 plus y cube into dx plus integral, here each term is containing x, so n1 of y is 0. So now integral of 2x is x square, so x square y cube minus x y power 4 plus x y cube equal to c. So this is the required solution. So next problem C. Solve x square plus y square plus x into dx plus xy into dy equal to 0. Solution. Here m equal to x square plus y square plus x, okay, and n equal to xy. Dou m by dou y equal to 2y and dou n by dou x equal to y. Now if you take the difference, dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x is equal to 2y minus y, you get y. So obviously it is close to n. So I have to consider 1 by n into the difference. Thus 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x equal to 1 by n ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ xy, so xy into y, so y get cancelled, so you will be getting 1 by x, that is you can call as f of x. So integrating factor will be e power integral f of x dx, so that is e power integral 1 by x dx, so it is e power log x, and as I said, log and exponential functions are inverse of each other, so I get x. So integrating factor is x. So integrating factor is x means n1 is 0, so that should come to your mind. Thus m1 will be, multiplying integrating factor to m, you will be getting x cube plus xy square plus x square, and n1 will be x square y. So dou m1 by dou y, I mean, so it is not necessary. The solution of the equation is, integral m1 into dx, that is x cube plus xy square plus x square into dx, plus integral, this will be 0 because x is multiplied, right? So each term should contain x, so definitely it will be 0, equal to c. So that implies x power 4 by 4 plus x square y square by 2 plus x cube by 3 equal to c. So this is the required solution. If you want, you can take LCM and simplify, or else keep as it is. So next, D, solve y times of 2xy plus 1 dx minus x into dy equal to 0. Solution. So here m equal to y times of 2xy plus 1, that is m equal to 2xy square plus y, and n equal to minus x. Now dou m by dou y, that will be 4xy plus 1, dou n by dou x minus 1. So the difference, if you take the difference, dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x is equal to 4xy plus 1 minus of minus 1, right? So it will be plus 1. So it is 4xy plus 2. So if you take 2 outside, 2 times of 2xy plus 1. So it is close to m. Thus 1 by m into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x equal to 1 by m ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 by y times of 2xy plus 1 into 2 times of 2xy plus 1. 2xy plus 1, 2xy plus 1 get cancelled, you get 2 by y, that we can call as g of y. So integrating factor is e power minus integral g of y dy. So substituting for g of y, integral minus 2 by y dy, so it is e power log y power minus 2, so integrating factor is y power minus 2, or 1 by y square you can write. So integrating factor is 1 by y square. Thus m1 equal to m into dx, right? Sorry, m into integrating factor. So m1 will be, after multiplying terms, you will be getting 2x plus 1 by y, and n1 you will be getting minus x by y square. Now the solution of the equation is integral m1 into dx, that is integral 2x plus 1 by y into dx plus integral n1 of y, that is 0 into dy equal to c. So it is x square plus x by y equal to c. I think A, B, C, D. Next E. Solve y times of x plus y dx plus x plus 2y minus 1 into dy equal to 0. Solution given. Okay, I'll write m indirectly here. M equal to y into x plus y. Obviously y into x plus y ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ maybe the difference will be close to m. You can guess here only. And n equal to x plus 2y minus 1. Now dou m by dou y. So we can write this as xy plus y square, right? So dou m by dou y is x plus 2y. Dou n by dou x 1. Dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x equal to s. We get something different here. X plus 2y minus 1. So it is close to, not close to m, it is close to n. Actually not close, it is exactly n we are getting here. Thus 1 by n into the difference, dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x equal to, we are getting both same, dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. Okay, let us write and cancel, no problem. Minus 1 into x plus 2y minus 1. So both get cancelled, you get 1, that you can treat as x. So constant term you can treat as a function of x or y, no problem. So we got integrating factor e power integral 1 into dx. Integrating factor is e power x. Thus hence m1 equal to e power x into xy plus y square. n1 equal to e power x into x plus 2y minus 1. So here each term involves e power x. So if you want, we can write this as xy e power x plus e power x y square. The solution of the equation is, given by integral xy e power x plus e power x y square dx plus integral 0 dy equal to c. So here you have to apply product rule. So y into first function x into integral of second function e power x minus derivative of x 1 into e power x plus y square constant irutte, so e power x the integral e power x barutte equal to c. So xy e power x minus y e power x plus y square e power x equal to c. This is the required solution. Or else if you want, you can take e power x outside, or you can keep as it is. Next, I think it is f. Solve 8xy minus 9y square dx plus 2 into x square minus 3xy dy equal to 0. solution. So here m equal to 8xy minus 9y square, n equal to 2 times of x square minus 3xy, which you can write as 2x square minus 6xy. Now dou m by dou y, it is equal to 8x minus 18y, and dou n by dou x equal to 4x minus 6y. If you take the difference, dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x, so it is 8x minus 18y minus 4x plus 6y. So it is 8x minus 4x. So 4x minus 12y. So taking 4 outside, x minus 3y. Now x minus 3y, if you take here x outside, 2x times, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು x ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3y ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. So it is close to n. Close to n. So I had to take 1 by n into. So 1 by n into the difference dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x equal to 1 by n ಅಂತಂದರೆ 1 by 4 times of n ಅದಲ್ಲ. So n is 2x times x minus 3y into 4 times of x minus 3y. So x minus 3y get cancelled. It will be 2 by x. Call that as g of x. Now the integrating factor is, you are familiar with this, so I can write directly integrating factor is x square. Hence m1 equal to 8x cube y minus 9x square y square, and n1 equal to 2x power 4 minus 6x cube y. The solution of the equation is integral m1 dx, that is integral 8x cube y minus 9x square y square dx plus integral, obviously it is 0, c. So this one, so 2 times of 4x cube, right? 4x cube integral is x power 4. So 2x power 4y minus 3x cube y square equal to c. So this is the required solution. So with this we have discussed equations reducible to exact form of type 1. So next video we shall discuss equations reducible to exact differential equations of type 2, integrating factor of type 2.